Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Outlook Web using Microsoft account, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.outlook.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Outlook login page. Look for the sign in button and click on it. You will see a field asking for your email or phone number. Enter your Microsoft account email or phone number. Click on the next button. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you want to stay signed in, check the box labeled Keep Me Signed In. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts for verification. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Outlook inbox. You can now access your emails, calendar, and other features. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts provided to recover your account. You are now successfully logged into Outlook Web using your Microsoft account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.